Good morning and welcome everybody from a now sunny Auckland, New Zealand after a very stormy and rainy night. I have a package here that I just picked up from Mighty Ape, a local retailer. They facilitated a pickup at 7 o'clock this morning because here in New Zealand it is the 5th of June already, the release date of the Switch 2. So I got the Switch 2 Mario Kart edition here, and I thought I kind of share this very kind of early unpacking and review of the console with you guys. So that way it's always nice for you to see what to expect once it becomes available in your part of the world. So let's remove the little seal, stick that there, and slide it open and see what we're going to have inside. So, a little start guide with the product number. Basically, plug in when attached to the Nintendo Switch console, the Joy-Con controller battery will also charge. Charge the battery, click in, press the power button to enter, and so on. So, very easy and straightforward. So, in now opening up, we have the Switch console here as well as the Joy-Cons. Let's lift this off, and then underneath we have, let's see, this one is the connector. Oh, it's color coded as well on each side, so we know exactly which controller goes where. Okay, that's quite nice. Let's put this to the side. We have, this will be the docking station, quite a bit bigger than the original one. Yep, docking station. Actually looks very nice with the rounded corners. From the side, we got the two USB ports from the rear, and this part here should come off. Yes, it does. Similar to the old console. We got a LAN port, an HDMI out port, and the AC adapter port. Let's plug this back in. So very nice ventilation openings at the bottom. And what else do we have? A power brick, a Nintendo branded power brick, USB-C, and that is a good one for with the New Zealand plug. That is good. And what's the last one that we got in here? Because that's the last bit. We got an USB-C to USB-C cable. So that's also a good and useful. So let's put this box aside and let's have a look at the prime bits and pieces in here. So that's the left Joy-Con. Nice weight to it. Definitely, as indicated previously, larger buttons for better play with these alone. There would be the release button that kind of pushes out a little pin to release the magnetics. So that's very nice. Let's have a look here. If we put it into here, yep, it nicely snaps in. So that's the first, and then with the release button, yes, indeed, pushes it out, and with a little extra push can be released. So that's very nice. And then the second controller from the other side, also quite nice, good weight to it. Let's do the same thing here. Let's line it up, and yep, very satisfying. Looks very nice. Nice pad, nice size, good feel to it. And now the prime piece, the Switch 2 console. quite an impressive size, but we can see the black frame around it, so unfortunately the display won't go across the full glass panel, which would have been quite epic. But of course we have the connectors for the Joy-Cons and the magnets and so on, so it makes sense to have these extra bits. In the back, the Nintendo Switch 2. Then we got the unfolding kickstand, so that should be quite all right. Also down here we got the area for the micro SD express card. Nintendo sells a special 256 gigabyte card. Here in New Zealand it's about close to $90, 90 New Zealand dollars. So, and then, but for now I have opted not to have this and add this. We got the vents for the loudspeakers, for the speaker grills basically, and we got the USB-C port at the bottom. So very nice. Let's put this aside. Also, let's have a look what further is in here. We got the Mario Kart download code. We got the information piece. We got an ultra high speed HDMI cable. So that is very good. Should be a decent length to facilitate connection to the TV. And the last bit in here is those two sliders with the wristband. So those are the ones that can be then attached to the controllers, the Joy-Cons, to enable that. Let's press the button, release it, and then these can be attached. Okay, so they snap on. They sit quite firmly, so that is good. They do have a release button at the top, possibly. No, maybe. Oh, okay, so it just comes off. So there's this button there, which hooks into there, so it snaps in, so you do, and then so that way it holds it in place, which is good. And it slides and can be used as the mouse, and there's the mouse sensor, which is very nice and satisfying. So that is all good, perfect. That's basically effectively everything that is in the pack. So let's put that all here. And so that's all the accessories that you will get together with the Switch 2. So let's connect it to the console. Okay, 1, 2. Well, it is significantly larger than the original console, so that needs to be set and acknowledged. And then when you slide it in here, yes, it also kind of stretches a bit out. It's a bit bigger than normal, but that's all right. That's expected, and that is what we've seen previously anyhow. So I will now get it charged up, we'll get it connected, and then let's see how things go. So yeah, just wanted to give you a very early unpacking and kind of feedback on, yes, it is available here in New Zealand, and yes, I managed to get that picked up at 7 o'clock this morning. Was surprisingly the first and only one in line at the Mighty Ape headquarters in Silverdale, north of Auckland. And I look very much forward to connecting it all up, updating it, and playing the new Super Mario Kart. So yeah, so just a short video from here. Just wanted to share this with you. Let me know if you have any questions and so on. Always happy to see some comments and feedback. And otherwise, keep well, have fun, enjoy life, and until we speak again, take care. Bye now. Stop.